This is the emergency broadcast system. The CDC is advising that you stay in your homes.
We show up. We show up in the party, flyer than everybody. We show up in the party, flyer than everybody.
We show up in the party, flyer than everybody. We show up in the party, flyer than everybody. We show up in the party, flyer than everybody. We show up in the
Alright, so we got the Murda Ranger, which is a 2018 Ranger 500. And I don't even know what kind of tire she's got on it right there. The EFX Moto Havoc. Sorry, it's a little dark out here. STI HD alloys. I'll tell you what, you got 29 5s. Super ATV forward arched A-arms. Amazon $20 light bar. Not even sure what brand it is. It does work. Just a half windshield. I don't know exactly. I got the measurements and the pictures on the lift. Not exactly sure how high we went, but we'll call this the prototype 1.
We show up in the party.
You know, I'm gonna start thinking about starting to make lift kits or whatever. I don't know. I was bored and I did it, so yeah, and it's a lot cheaper than buying it. So, but the one thing I do love are the Snorkel ATV Warrior risers. I know it's a little dark out here. Sorry, y'all, but he went ahead and fully snorkeled it, and he got the Boss audio tube, and I went ahead and fabbed all this up. I'm really hoping this comes out a little better than what I'm seeing.
Look at my juice. Look at my juice.
Juice. Good stuff, man.
Get out the way.
I think this was a 40-inch.
Get out the way.
Was that a 40-inch light? I don't know. And he finally put these back to the side, because when he first did it, we were ready to, you know, yeah, did not like them because they were pointing, these pods were pointing straight back, and it was blinding people behind him. So he was not everyone's favorite person to ride behind that first day. But so that's all the white light. You know, we got this is just a taste. These are just some, just trying to see. I can't tell y'all exactly what he's doing, but one of the cool things about this light bar, lights up blue. So
Just a little bit.
oh, I'm like, what did I do? Didn't turn it off. Heck yeah. So anyways, if y'all's, let me know if you're interested knowing more about how I did the yeah, I went to Wright Welding, and he blew he CNC'd this plate here, and I'll do a little more on that, because I've got, like I told Curtis, I was like, this is just the part 1 of this build. I'm gonna go a little more in depth of what I did. There's a couple little things that hindsight is 20/20 to say the least, but you know, it's not going to cost him anything else. I told him anything, just changing these upgrades, whatever. There's a couple things I want to change, but and there's a couple things that he wants to change. So anyway, so let me know what y'all think about it.
We show up in the party.